Start.
ठीक है. About Credences.
Okay, so at Credences, we work in mobile applications, wearable computing, augmented reality, and anything that we could lay our hands on that is really cool and we would want to work with. So that's what we do.
What inspired you to build Credences?
So we wanted the seed or the starting point of Credences was that we wanted to build something that provides amazing value to our customers. And that is what drives the company. That is what drove us into building.
What work culture at Credences?
So I think what we have tried to do is we always wanted to become an organization that is continuously learning. And since we are learning, we are adapting. And since we are adapting, it's a very relaxed culture here, wherein we have a very flat organization and very less reporting levels to begin with. So that's what we want to do. And the reason why we always want to be a learning organization is because of the structure that we have. I think it's the opposite way.
Mm-hmm.
It's a structure that we have because of which we always want to be a learning organization and continuously adapt.
Perfect. Where you see your company in the near future, that is 2 or 3 years down the line?
3 years down the line, or even I would say 10 years down the line, the company that I would like to see is one that is continuously still learning itself.
Mm-hmm.
Right? It's learning from its mistakes, it's learning from what is there in the environment, and it's continuously improving.
Mm-hmm.
That wouldn't change whether it's 3 days from now or 3 years from now.
Perfect. One line you would like to tell to the young minds who will be joining your company in the future?
Right. So we at Credences, we have always focused on what the person is interested in, and what we would like to encourage is people to know what they are interested in and what they would like to do, and if we are able to help them in any way, then we would love to do that.
Perfect. Great. Thank you very much.
Thanks.